There are three property databases available: personal properties, commercial properties, and equipment. Just like the vehicle database, you can access these databases from either the personal screen or through the attached Accord form. These databases work similarly in function, allowing you to add, edit, and delete entries. Use these functions to collect and store all of the property information, then bring the stored information into designated Accord forms. The Prepare Report option allows you to prepare a list of property entries. Here we are on the Personal tab of a commercial client. I will begin to enter a commercial property by clicking the Quick Link button and adding a new property. Fill in the information you wish to store, and if you already have a policy covering the property, be sure to select it from the Policy dropdown. Notice the additional interest icon in the top corner. This is where you can record any additional interests attached to the property, a mortgagee, for example. You can also get to the additional interest database directly from the personal window, though you must assign it to the subject of insurance by selecting it through the icon on the property window. While we cover the Accord form and its pre-fill functionality in our form subseries, it is worth mentioning here as the design of our workflow is to use the form as an output option. When you add an Accord form, the scheduled databases available for pre-fill will show in this bank of icons. For instance, in the Properties section form, the icons for properties and additional interests are active. This allows you to fill the form with the stored information. Keep in mind that while the information on the form may fill to other forms, it will not fill back to the database, so it is always best to begin your data entry in the database, then fill it to the form.